Trump heralds DR Congo-Rwanda peace deal, laments Noble snaps. US President Donald Trump has taken credit for brokering a landmark peace between the Democratic Republic of Congo and Rwanda, negotiated over 3 days in Washington, D.C. In a post on Truth Social, he declared the accord a great day for Africa and, quite frankly, a great day for the world, emphasizing the significance of the breakthrough aimed at ending decades of conflict in Eastern DRC. The formal signing is scheduled for June 27 in Washington.
All about Rwanda and the Congo. Will be doing a peace settlement, probably coming in on Monday or Tuesday. We're going to be signing it up, and we've stopped a very vicious war. So that was an honor for me to be involved. I want to thank J.D. Vanson for a great job, and also our Secretary of State, Marco Rubio, has done a fantastic job. So Rwanda, a long-term war with the Congo, a very bloody war. They're all bloody, but this was a really bloody one, is going to be making peace with Congo, and they can get on to making trade deals with the United States and other places and have a much more normal form of life. We're very honored by that. As you know, we did a very great job with India and Pakistan, and we had India in. It looks like we're going to be making a trade deal with India. And we had Pakistan in. It looks like we're going to be making a trade deal with Pakistan. And it's a beautiful thing to watch. Serbia, Kosovo, likewise, they've been fighting for years. And as you know, we brought that one to a conclusion. And now we have a couple of big ones. We have Russia, Ukraine, which is making a little bit of progress. And we have Israel, and nobody really knows what that one is all about. We're going to find out pretty soon, I guess.
However, Trump's celebratory tone was tempered by renewed grievances toward the Nobel Peace Prize Committee. He criticized what he perceives as a persistent disregard for the diplomatic contribution, citing past mediation in the Indian-Pakistan ceasefire, Serbia-Kisoro dialogue, and efforts to preserve stability between Egypt and Ethiopia. He also demanded resignation for his role in initiating the Abraham Accords, which normalized relations between Israel and several Arab countries. Despite his self-proclaimed achievement, many people still view it as a diplomatic start. The 2020 Serbia-Kisoro agreement, for instance, have largely unresolved and renewed hostilities between Israel and Iran have undermined a lot of hopes in this peace strategy. He recently raised the issue again during February Oval Office meeting with Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. His irritation is magnified by the memory of President Barack Obama receiving the prize shortly after taking office in 2009. Meanwhile, Pakistan's government announced its intention to nominate Trump for the 2026 Nobel Peace Prize, praising what it described as his decisive diplomatic intervention and pivotal leadership during recent regional tensions. The peace deal between Congo and Rwanda builds on a previous declaration of principles signed in April and comes amid ongoing instability fueled by the resources of the M23 armed rebel group in the resource-rich Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo.